Fresh, organic guavas arrive under strict temperature control to begin processing.
Crates of freshly harvested guavas are unloaded under controlled warehouse conditions.
Each guava batch is digitally logged to ensure full organic traceability. Only guavas meeting strict quality standards move forward.
Incoming guavas are sampled to verify internal quality and freshness.
Each guava is visually examined under high-intensity light.
Approved guavas are transported directly to the processing line.
Automated dumping feeds guavas safely into the processing system.
All crates are thoroughly washed and sanitized before reuse.
Guavas are evenly fed onto the processing conveyor.
Turbulent washing removes dirt and surface contaminants from the guavas.
A vertical conveyor lifts washed guavas while excess water drains away.
High-pressure sprays provide an additional surface wash.
Rotating brushes gently scrub the guavas for thorough surface cleaning.
A final rinse ensures the guavas are completely clean. High-speed air removes surface moisture before sorting. Trained workers manually remove any remaining defective guavas.
Optical systems identify defects with high-speed precision.
Defective guavas are automatically removed without stopping the line. The conveyor aligns each guava into a single, controlled flow. Guavas are temporarily stored in stainless steel silos to regulate processing flow. Operators monitor silo levels in real time to maintain continuous flow. Guavas are released from the silo at a controlled rate.
Each guava is individually positioned for accurate cutting.
The crown is removed to prepare the guava for extraction.
The fruit is gently opened to loosen the pulp and seeds. Mechanical splitters divide the guavas into uniform sections.
A rotating drum helps release seeds from the guava sections.
Paddle separators release seeds while preserving pulp quality.
A perforated sieve separates fine pulp from larger seed material. Non-usable guava material is continuously removed from the process.
Vibration spreads the seeds evenly and removes excess moisture.
Cooling and drying stabilizes the seeds before final collection.
Conditioned seeds are collected in a stainless steel hopper.
Optical sorting inspects every seed for color and quality.
Air jets instantly remove defective seeds without stopping production.
A final visual check confirms only clean seeds move forward.
Clean seeds are transferred into transport bins for measured batching.
Each batch is precisely weighed before moving to extraction. A screw conveyor transfers the weighed seeds for further processing.
Pneumatic transport moves seeds quickly and hygienically.
Metal detection verifies product safety before extraction.
Seeds are loaded into pressing cloths for cold extraction.
Hydraulic cold pressing extracts juice without heat damage.
Fresh pink guava nectar is collected immediately after pressing.
After pressing, the dry seed cakes are removed for further processing. Dry press cake is broken down for controlled disposal.
Raw guava juice is collected in stainless steel channels for cooling.
The juice is rapidly cooled to preserve freshness.
Press cake residue is conveyed away for controlled disposal.
Samples are taken to verify juice quality and safety.
Sugar content is verified using a refractometer.
Acidity is measured to ensure product stability. Quality data is logged digitally for full traceability. Sanitary pumps transfer the juice through sealed stainless steel piping. Juice enters the holding tank through a monitored inlet.
The juice is gently mixed to ensure uniform consistency.
Clarification begins as the juice enters the centrifuge system. Centrifugal force separates fine solids from the juice. Operators continuously monitor clarification performance.
Clarified juice moves onward through the system.
Inside the centrifuge, centrifugal force separates solids from clarified juice. Separated pulp is automatically ejected from the centrifuge. Clarified guava juice flows onward for fine filtration. Multiple filters remove remaining fine particles from the juice.
Filtered juice is sampled to confirm final clarity.
Ultrafiltration removes remaining microscopic impurities. Ceramic membranes filter the juice at a microscopic level. Ultrafiltration ensures maximum clarity and stability. Only pure juice passes through microscopic membrane pores. Ultra-clear guava juice exits the filtration system.
Ultrafiltration is the final step for maximum juice clarity.
The final juice sample confirms exceptional clarity.
The finished juice is stored in sterile stainless steel tanks.
Tank pressure is continuously monitored for safe storage.
Automatic backwash keeps the filtration system clean. backwashing removes trapped residues from the filters.
The juice remains perfectly clear during final storage. A final sterile sample confirms product readiness.
Final quality checks are approved for release.
Approved juice is pumped directly to the filling line.
CIP cleaning sanitizes the filling nozzles before production.
Internal tank surfaces are fully cleaned using automated spray systems.
Pasteurization begins in the plate heat exchanger.
Heat transfers efficiently through plates without mixing fluids.
The juice reaches pasteurization temperature inside the system.
Pasteurization temperature is reached and verified.
Hot juice is safely transferred through insulated pipelines.
Automated valves precisely control juice flow through the system.
The pasteurization system ensures safety through precise thermal control. Excess heat is safely released through controlled steam venting.
After pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled to protect quality. The juice enters a sterile holding tank before final packaging. Nitrogen blanketing prevents oxidation during sterile storage.
Filling nozzles are sterilized to maintain aseptic conditions.
Packaging material feeds into the aseptic filling system. The packaging film is sterilized before forming and filling. The sterilized film is dried before carton forming. The sterile film is formed into a continuous carton tube.
The packaging web feeds downward in perfect synchronization.
Heat sealing creates a strong, sterile, longitudinal seam. The sterile cartons are filled with Guava Nectar under aseptic conditions. Cross-sealing jaws form and seal individual cartons.
The cutting system separates each sealed carton with precision.
Finished cartons move smoothly onto the output conveyor.
Cartons are grouped automatically for efficient packing.
Each carton is aligned in a single file for final processing.
A final flame check ensures surface sterility on the line.
Automated capping seals each carton securely.
Each carton is laser-coated for full traceability.
Vision systems verify every carton meets quality standards. Any defective carton is automatically removed from the line.
A drinking straw is automatically attached to each carton. The conveyor divides cartons into multiple lanes for packing. Robotic arms pack cartons into boxes with precision. Robots stack filled boxes in stable pallet patterns.
Automated taping securely seals each shipping box.
Each box is labeled for identification and logistics tracking.
A high-speed robot palletizes boxes with precision and stability.
The robot completes a full, stable pallet stack. Automatic wrapping secures the pallet for safe transport.
Each wrapped pallet is inspected before warehouse entry.
Final bricks testing confirms the sweetness profile. Quality control approval releases the pallet for shipment. An autonomous vehicle collects the approved pallet for storage. High-reach forklifts store pallets safely in high bay racks.
The warehouse system records the pallet's exact storage location.
Autonomous vehicles move pallets efficiently through the warehouse. High-reach forklifts place pallets accurately at upper rack levels.
The storage location is digitally confirmed in the warehouse system.
The warehouse stores finished products in an organized, controlly environment.
Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored for product stability. A new picking order is generated in the warehouse system.
The system calculates the optimal AGV route for order picking.
The autonomous vehicle transports the pallet toward shipping. A forklift retrieves the pallet for final shipment. The pallet is scanned and verified for shipment. Shipping documents and organic certificates are printed and verified. The delivery truck backs into the loading dock for shipment. The container interior is inspected before loading begins. The pallet is carefully loaded into the container using a forklift.
The container doors are closed and secured.
Dunnage airbags secure the load and prevent movement during transport. The secured load is documented with a final photograph. A numbered bolt seal secures the container against tampering. The bill of lading is signed to authorize shipment. Paperwork is handed over and the shipment is officially released. The shipment departs the factory, completing the full production and logistics process.